Welcome to our comprehensive guide on sharing bets on FanDuel. It's not just about placing bets, it's about sharing the excitement with friends and enhancing your betting experience. In 2025, FanDuel has rolled out exciting new features that make it easier than ever to share your bets. Let's take a look. Creating a bet to share is simple. Follow these steps to get started. Open your FanDuel app, choose your sport, and select your event. Once you've created your bet, look for the sharing options on your bet slip to easily send it to your friends. You can share your bets on various platforms like social media or messaging apps. Choose the one that best reaches your circle. To engage your friends and followers, here are a few tips. Use eye-catching visuals and captions, and share your thoughts about your picks. Tracking shared bets is easy. Simply navigate to the dedicated section of your app where you can view bets shared by your contacts. Remember, sharing bets responsibly is crucial. Always bet what you can afford to lose and encourage your friends to do the same. Sharing bets can enhance your gaming experience, allowing you and your friends to share in the thrill. Get ready to make some memories on FanDuel.